So here we are going to do a running stitch, and this is what you are aiming for, and I'm going to now show you the motion to do it. So you have two ways and you're going to have to choose what is comfortable for you. So the one that I personally find the most comfortable is going in and out all on the surface. The reason I like doing it this way is because it gives me a bit more control over how regular my stitches are. Plus, you do work a little bit faster like this, even though this is not really the aim at that stage. The other way you could do it is by pushing in your needle and bringing it back up a bit further along and repeat in and out. And use the fingers that you have under the hoop there to guide your needle. Here you go, you've got a running stitch.